draw the line at the lower side of the page. It's just 1/3 of the page. Now we'll draw a land area on the right side and a small hut with some bushes behind it and a small palm tree because it's far away. And then we come to the left side and draw an island with 2 trees, and you know how to do the trick. It's 2 lines down, 2 lines on the side, and 2 lines going as a V on top. Now make a sun with a yellow color. Okay, no pencil required. A nice semicircle with a reflection as a triangle in the sea. Okay, black color on the left side of the trees, a thick line. On the edges of the island, the water is dark there, right? And at the base of the bushes because it's dark and far. Now we take the bottle green color or a dark green color and do the bushes and a little on the land area. The same bottle green color goes for the trees, the leaves and the branches. So you need to do small strokes around the black lines that we did. Make the letter V on the line with your green color. Now we take a black color and fill in a little more over the trees because it's almost sunset, so the trees will be a little dark. So do a little black color. Now with the brown, color the top of the hut and the tree trunks. Since my base of the tree is very thin, what I'm going to do is I'm going to extend and make it a little broader. Okay, so if you want, you can do the same thing, or from the starting make a strong and a thick base. Now with a dirty yellow color or a mustard color, or you can take a light brown as well. So we do the land areas. Now complete your hut with an orange color or any color that you like. Now pick a dark blue color and we'll do the water edges. So this time we are filling in a dark blue color, we are not making lines, we are filling in the full color. Okay, and we'll leave a little for a little space in between for the other blue color. So you'll see now. blue color is done, and do you see a little U shape there? So we'll leave that space and we color the rest as dark blue. And now we pick a light blue color and we fill in the U shape that we left in between. So do a little on the reflection and fill in with the light blue. Don't leave any white space. Fill in properly, nice solid blue. And all strokes will go from left to right. Now the sky is left, and before the sky we just given a dark brown shade to the land areas. A very little with very light hands, do a little dark brown so that the color enhances there. Now it's just the sky. So we take a pink color, light pink, and we do a little space just above the sun as light pink. Draw a line in the same way and do left to right strokes. Don't color on the sun. A nice solid pink. No white spaces. Now pick up an orange color and do another space as orange just above the pink. So it's sunset and the sky has different colors. So it's pink sky, little orange as the sun is setting. Done, and the last color that we use here is yellow. So fill in the last full sky or the full area which is left now with a yellow instead of a blue. So till now we were doing a blue sky, now we are doing a yellow sky. So this will be very interesting, and let's see who does it nicely. Keep following all the videos. Now our sky is done almost.